right beside of,
Anybody interested in a
Okay.
it was an appliance store.
Okay. Oh, because it looked like Settlement, but from what I could see, I said that looks like Settlemoyers.
Yeah.
But right the street. Okay, there you, okay. Okay. All right.
Over there, use vodka or what?
You know what, I don't know.
That's the way. Spike and weird.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. He's from down there. Didn't he have a leg amputated or
Oh,
something?
yeah. See, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this is, oh, wait.
That's yours.
Max Theory. Where's Pop here? He's
Look
here.
at
Where's
that
Pop?
elephant.
And the elephant.
I remember that.
And look what makes it really neat.
That's my dad.
Max has the elephant in the picture.
No.
That makes that really pretty cool.
No. They ain't have elephant.
You know anything from Uriah Beery's,
Yes, Money House. I remember.
Where's Max here? Where is he?
Right, good?
See.
and the boots,
People either like it or don't.
the shoes from Dodgers, and the doll.
Oh, there he is. That's the,
By
here's,
Elda.
here's Papa. Yep. Look at the hair yet. We didn't know him yet. No hair.
Edwin Dycher. I have shoes like this at home, but I don't know who they were.
I remember those at home.
Sell something. Happy at the store, he would sell something. But I never saw that picture. No,
Let me see that one.
No, I
That's at the church.
never saw that. It was so cool. And I have
Well, that's what makes it really.
When you get around that, look how big this is. And it's like on fabric.
Not the seminars. Which is the, what's that? Which was, that was the one behind.
But these are from Susie Wembley.